Welcome to Fitch Painting Repairs Garage. We're actually outside working in a paint tent, and this is the project that we've been on, this antique motorcycle trailer. I'm not exactly sure how old it is, 60s or 70s, I don't know, 80s. Anyways, it's old. We got it all put back together, we got it painted. I'm not 100% happy with the paint finish on it, as you can see. It's got some imperfections. It needs to be, this is just a stage 1 paint. I used Rust-Oleum. Got a gallon of it from Lowe's, and that's what we've been using to shoot it. Thin it down with a little acetone. I'm working on trying to get the right mix so that I get a nice good finish, but I'll have to color sand it, cut it and buff it to really get it depth and clear coat it. But right now I'm pretty happy with it, with the exception of on assembly of the lid, putting these rivets in, I slipped and dropped, and it hit and gouged up the paint. It's pretty deep in there, so it's going to take some work to fix. So we're going to go ahead and block sand this down, and then we'll color sand the rest of it, and we'll reshoot it. So we're probably going to pull the bucket back off the trailer so that I can do it easier. Mistakes, but if I'm gonna do it right kind of thing. Right, Mr. Wilson? All right, bud. All right, stay tuned.